Welcome to my channel. My name is Xavier, also known as DroneXfactor. I am a YouTuber, commercial drone operator. Most controllers, if you're familiar with DJI products, they come with a USB plug at the bottom here, and you just plug in a cord right here and you plug it into your tablet and you're good to go. You buy one of those tablet holders, which I'll show you in a second, and you can fly with your tablet. Now, I don't fly drones with tablets. I prefer smaller screens. Even on my professional drone, I have a small built-in screen. I just don't need a big screen. I don't like the weight that comes with it. Some people just like big screens. They like to see everything. I totally get it. With that being said, I put a link in the description section of this video. Go check it out with a link to all the cables that you need to fly your DJI Mavic Mini with a tablet. And still I keep getting the question. So I just bought the cable. I borrowed an iPad mini because I don't like Apple products, but here I'm doing this for you guys. Moral of the story, I did the whole setup and I'm going to share it with you right now. Here you go. This is the DJI Mavic Mini setup for the tablet right here. I've got the Mini right here staring at me. As you can see, put it back down. And pretty much this is it right here. This is the iPad mini. This is the iPad mini holder. It's just one of the, there are 1,000,001 of these stands. If you guys want links to everything else, give me a day or so. I'll put links to everything in the description section. This does not have the plug-in at the bottom, as you know, so you just get a cable that plugs in at the side, one of the side mount cables. I have this listed in my other videos, and it side mounts and plugs in right here. And then you just download the Mavic Mini app on your iPad, and that's it, guys. You can fly with a big screen if you need a big screen, you know, if your eyes are not that good or you're just comfortable flying like this. I mean, it's not a big deal. I hope this video helps. I'll try to leave the links in the description section as soon as I can. And if you have any other questions, feel free to let me know. Two other things I want to share before I end this video because it's really short. Some Q&A and answer some questions and some comments that I've received. I haven't met a review yet in which someone mentioned a problem, because it's a problem with the unlocking authorization zones on DJI forums. So many people talk about this problem. Most of them have opinion that they would not buy this drone if they knew about this unlocking problem. It's a great drone, blurs, whatever. Changing application was a big mistake. Okay, Adam Gerson, look, I mean, everyone's got their opinions. This is a beginner drone, and most beginners need to be told where they can fly. Not everyone wants to do the research. If you want to do the research, then that's great for you too. You won't even waste time by showing up to an area that you can't fly. If you can't get the unlock, then just fly your other drones where you know you can get it unlocked. And I get it, look, you paid your money, you want to be able to unlock it. Right? It's not about whether you have other drones or not. DJI has already said, look, in mid-December, I don't know why I need to make a video about this. In mid-December, they will release an unlocking application. I'm fine with that because I think as beginners need to find safe places to fly in the meantime, get comfortable with the drone, get used to the drone, and then eventually by mid-December, they will be able to unlock it and use those other features as they learn more about drones and where to fly and where not to fly. And look, if you will pass on the drone because of that, just return it or just wait. Like, I'm not gonna make a video harping on this. I'm sorry, like, it's not that big of a deal to me, and it should not be that big a deal for you. Go fly another drone that you probably have, and if you're a beginner, just go somewhere that's safe until they actually give you the self-unlocking option. And if you don't even know what that is, then don't even worry about this comment. Okay, here comes another question. Can I use SanDisk Ultra SD card, or do I really need SanDisk Extreme? The DJI Mavic Mini's camera does not record at a high bit rate, and what that means is that it does not record a whole lot of information. As a result, you don't need a big hefty card. Any basic 32 gig, even a 16 gigabyte will work good. I do recommend a 32 or a 64 if you like to fly a lot any basic card, 10, 15, 16, 17 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description for a card that's $17. That's blazing fast. I mean, $17, which is like overkill. So any basic card will work on the DJI Mavic Mini, guys. Just look for a card around the house, or just buy a basic SD card. 32 gigabytes I recommend. How do I download maps onto my phone, guys? That's a video I'm gonna do, how to download maps. Just give me a little more time. I'm gonna show you how to download the maps if you're using a tablet like I'm using right now, and you're going out in the field and the maps are not loading because you're not connected to the Wi-Fi. And if the whole Wi-Fi thing is confusing to you, just click this link up here. I explain the whole Wi-Fi thing, how to connect to a PC for live streaming. Samuel asked. Right now, I don't think there's any way of connecting to a PC for you to live stream, Samuel. So, yes, a lot of people are asking about the phones. A lot of phones, unfortunately, and particularly the older phones and some newer phones too, basically any higher end phone is going to work for the most part. DJI has a list on their website that you can go check out, see which phone is compatible and which one is not. Just in case your phone is not and you have an iPad mini, all you have to do is buy the $7-8 cable and then fly with your iPad instead. That's one option for you. And you might need to buy the iPad holder as well, so to hold the iPad to the controller. If there was one issue I would complain about with the DJI Fly app, would definitely be, why can't my phone work with this app? Alright, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notified when I release more useful DJI Mavic Mini videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whichever one works for you, and I will see you guys when I can. I'm still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you.